Welcome to the IML Wind-Up Bird Project. All over the world, IML members are going to be submitting 30-second movies, which will be edited together into a short film. This is the original Tim Flying Bird. He's going to be the star of your movie. Just wind him up like this, and let him go. Let's talk about content. You can try to tell a story with your 30 seconds of film, or you can simply record the magnificence of the original Tim in flight. It's entirely up to you. There are, of course, some technical specifications for your movie. You can use any format you like to make your movie, but if you are using, say, the video mode of a digital camera, ensure that you select the highest quality video option. The minimum size for any digital video submitted is 640 by 480 pixels. Similarly, if you're using a cellular phone to capture the action, ensure that it is capable of achieving the minimum size requirements, or you'll end up with low quality video. Let's talk about aspect ratios. You can submit 4:3, widescreen, or other ratios. Just be sure to maintain your chosen aspect ratio throughout your movie. Similarly, you can submit a movie in any consistent frame rate. Here are a few ground rules for your film. The original Tim Flying Bird must enter the first shot of your movie, like this. And exit the last shot of your movie, like this. In, and out. To aid in the final edit of all your movies, try to include an extended opening shot before the action, and an extended ending shot after the action. No native audio. The final edited movie will not include any audio that you record. The score will be instrumental music with no sound effects. You must also include the original Tim in every shot in your movie. Avoid cutaways like these. Try 3/4 shots like these instead. Still photographs. If you are submitting a sequence of stills, be sure to number them sequentially before uploading. Or you could create your own sequence with video editing software. Using transitions, I like these. But please, try to avoid slideshows and transitions like these.